camera, and for the debaters, please turn on your camera. Okay, I will start the conclusion for this result for the first motion of the debate session. For the first coming is from the government speaker. For the government team, as the opening government, the opening government team, they have not enough strong base for my conclusion there. You just not enough, you just not provide not enough strong base for the rest of the member of the debaters, because the strong base for the debaters others is very predominantly or important for the rest of the debaters. And the government team, the prime minister said that you just provide you just provide you explain that the editing of face is kind of the kind of a bullying, dan the prime minister menjelaskan kalau editing wajah melalui Photoshop ataupun hal-hal digital lainnya itu akan membawa langsung ke bullying, karena ketika diedit dan bertemu lagi itu akan berbeda. And for the deputy prime minister, you should deputy prime minister or the second speaker of the opening government, you should provide or support the enough argumentation for the prime minister. Jadi untuk second speaker of opening government, kalian Anda harus memperkuat argumen kalian untuk bisa mensupport prime ministernya, seperti itu. Dan untuk CG closing government, you just explain of using other photos for new account for Google account. It is a good argumentation and a good move for this closing government. But as a closing government, you did not kalian lupa bahwa you have to kalian harus melihat dari sudut pandang lain. It's mean you have to think clearly and think more widely. And for the opening opposition, as the opening opposition team, you just provide strong argumentation of you explain that the editing job, it's kind of a self-love, and it's mean you have a good accommodation for this motion. And for the deputy leader of opposition, dari DLO tadi menjelaskan kalau editing is not criminal or harms. Toxic beauty standard, it's not harm. It mean kalian benar-benar menolak bahwa kalau media itu membawa harm daripada better or good. Nah, untuk CO, untuk closing opposition, kalian harus menjelaskan, you have to explain more, and kalian harus memperkuat argumentation atau konklusi kalian supaya nanti di akhir debate kalian bisa memenangkan argumen tentang mosi ini. And of course, for my opinion, it's for my personal opinion, the opening opposition team, congratulations, you just passed the first place of this motion, the debate motion. For the second place comes from the closing government, and the third place comes from the opening government, and the fourth or the last rank comes from the closing opposition. For the first and the second rank of the government disciplines, congratulations for of you guys, you just passed the next round of the debates. PNC English Competition 2003. Congratulations. Sure. Okay, guys, for those of you, bagi kalian yang masih belum beruntung di peringkat 3 dan ke-4, masih ada kesempatan untuk memperbaiki diri, masih ada kesempatan untuk belajar baru, learn something more, and always learning and always studying to be better debaters. And for for the first motion of the first motion in the breakout room, uh, I think that is for me. You can leave this breakout room immediately, or you can uh, atau kalian bisa ngobrol-ngobrol. Atau kalian bisa langsung leave the breakout rooms untuk langsung ke main room session. Thank you for me. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mas.
Thank you, Mas.
Thank you, Kak.
Thank you. Good luck. Silakan langsung menuju ke main room immediately.
Oke, selamat semuanya. Buat yang tadi dikasih tahu katanya masuk final, bisa stay di Zoom, dan buat yang nggak lolos final bisa leave Zoom. Sebelumnya makasih buat yang udah join. Oke, untuk PPA 1B sama TPPL 1C karena belum lolos ke final bisa leave Zoom. Untuk TI 2A sama TI 2C bisa stay ya untuk lanjut ke mosi yang kedua. TI 2C ya maksudnya. Oke, selamat buat yang lolos ke final. Langsung siapin deh. Oke. Final announcement, selamat buat TI 2A, TI 2C, TPPL 2A, sama TI 1B. Baik, ini untuk pembagian debatnya. Opening government diisi sama TE 2C. Kemudian closing government diisi sama TI 1B. Selanjutnya opening opposition diisi sama TI 2A. Lalu tab closing opposition diisi sama TPPL 2A. Bisa ini dulu diganti rename namanya sama kayak yang tadi. Kelas underscore run underscore nama. Untuk cara edu mosi kedua ini Bajarona sama Mas Juan. Untuk educator ada Bajarona, Mas Juan, Mas Gibran sama Mas Cakra. Ditunggu yang belum rename. Oke. Selanjutnya itu mosi kedua. Mosi kedua akan dijelaskan oleh Miss Nisa. Untuk penjelasannya, silakan Miss Nisa.
Okay, am I audible? Can you hear my voice? Ya, terdengar ya. So, congratulations for all of you who finally enter the final round. Selamat sekali lagi. Untuk mosi di final round ini adalah this house believe that booster shots of COVID-19 vaccine is unnecessary. Perlu diterjemahkan?
Perlu, Miss.
Ya, perlu ya. Iya. Terjemahannya adalah, jadi musinya adalah mengenai booster shots atau suntikan booster atau suntikan tambahan untuk COVID-19 vaccines itu tidak diperlukan. Kenapa kok musinya seperti itu? So, ada yang tahu booster shots di sini seperti apa?
Vaksin dosis ketiga, bukan Miss?
Iya, kira-kira seperti itu.
Iya.
So, when you have to go abroad, ketika Anda diharuskan pergi ke luar negeri, misalnya to European Union countries, misalnya ke negara-negara di Uni Eropa, mereka akan melarang Anda apabila Anda hanya disuntik vaksin Sinovac misalnya. Kenapa? Because the level of immunity is only below 90%. Nah, karena itulah mereka pasti akan request untuk menambahkan booster shots seperti itu. Jadi kalau tidak diberikan booster shots maka mereka tidak akan meloloskan para travelers yang akan memasuki negara mereka seperti itu. Paham ya? Ya, jadi sudah tahu yang namanya booster shots itu seperti apa. Jadi mosinya adalah government-nya atau this house percaya bahwa booster shots of COVID-19 vaccines is unnecessary, tidak diperlukan. Ya, paham ya? Yeah, remember, if you belong to government team, it means that you have to agree with the motions. But if you are a member of opposition teams, it means that you have to disagree with the motions. It means if you belong to the opposition teams, you have to think that giving a booster shots is very necessary atau important. Paham? Iya. Ada yang mau bertanya sampai sini? Belum ya, berarti sudah paham semua untuk mosinya. Oke, saya kembalikan waktunya kepada Ova, silakan.
Baik, terima kasih Miss Nisa. Oke, semua udah jelas ya. Berarti sebentar. Oke, case building dimulai 15 menit dari sekarang. Selama case building bisa on cam semuanya ya. Okay, time is up for case building. Now we will start the debate. from first speaker from opening government. Who? Buat TE2C yang mau jadi first speaker siapa?
Restia Kak, tapi jaringannya lagi jelek katanya sebentar.
Okay. First speaker from opening government, Miss Yesti, Miss Restia. The time is yours.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Restia Muninggar. I am as opening government. I will say about opening government. COVID-19 is a pandemic that has hit almost all parts of the world, including Indonesia country. This pandemic has hit almost 2 years since its spread was announced by WHO in 2019. This disease affects everyone, including young people and old people. Every government in a country must have truth about how to contain the rate of COVID-19, such as a vaccine. In Indonesia, up to 2 doses of the vaccine have been provided. For example, Astra vaccine, Moderna vaccine, Sinovac vaccine, and others type vaccine. People in 65 years old of age and over should get a booster shot. The risks of severe illness from COVID-19 increase with age, and many also increase for adults of many age with underlying medical conditions. And in fact, booster vaccine have no scientific evidence for the prevention of COVID-19 itself. And ladies and gentlemen, what is a COVID-19 vaccine booster? A COVID vaccine booster is an additional dose of vaccine given after the protection provided by the original shot has begun to wear off over time. You will get a booster after the immunity from the initial dose naturally start to decrease. Boosters are designed to help people maintain their immune level longer. That means that when you have received 2 doses of the main vaccine, it has become part of the already strong from COVID-19 prevention. And because of that, with the 2 stage of the vaccine, we from the opening government agree with the motion that the unlikely booster for the COVID-19 vaccine is unnecessary. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Miss Restia. Your speech takes 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So next to the opening opposition, who will be the first speaker?
Me.
Okay. Okay, untuk Mr. Pratama, your time.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Good afternoon, all. It's Pratama Putra. I'm from the opening opposition as the first speaker. And I will start my speech in 3, 2, 1, and go. Before I came with my arguments, I want to do a rebuttal for the first speaker in opening government. The motion is this was believe that boosters shot of COVID-19 vaccine is unnecessary, but why? I mean, how it can be? How can you agree the booster is unnecessary, but your argument is most likely disagree with this motion. You said that in the old person, I mean the person that the person that have more than 60 years old have to uh, uh, have to and they need to do a vaccine booster. That is your argument, I think. I mean, and then let's start with my argument. This motion is tell us that the vaccine booster is unnecessary, but I don't agree with that because the vaccine booster is needed by the people to build their immune more strength. Then we need the vaccine booster because to make sure that our body is protected. I mean, if we have is already boosted by the vaccine booster, we feel safe to go to anywhere else. I mean, yeah, our immune body is boosted, and then we don't have to overthink about this COVID-19 virus because it's already boosted. But we don't have, but we we don't um, ignore the vaccine, the COVID-19 virus as well. And then, and the second, why the vaccine booster is needed by us? It's needed by because in this situation, the COVID-19 virus is have already evolved themselves and itself. I mean, and then in way to face this new variation, we have to do the vaccine booster shot of COVID-19, and then it can bring us to a good mental health because if more people do the vaccine booster, more people that is healthy, more healthy. I mean, their immune body is more stronger than the person that is not to the vaccine shots of COVID-19. And then in economic condition, it can help the recreation place to gain more value, to gain more money again because we know in COVID-19 situation there is a lot of recreation site that close because of the regulation that they have to limit um, their their tourists and their to people that want to come to their recreation site. And then to have the recreation site, the recreation site to gain more money, they can do. I mean, this booster shot is help the recreation site more effectively to gain their money again. And then, yeah, it's a human right to get their healthy condition, their self to get. I'm sorry, it's human right to get their self a healthy condition. We can. um, we have to distribute this COVID, this vaccine shot more efficiently to our people to spread the booster more large, uh, to 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 bring their to make their immune more stronger. And then I think that's all for me, and thank you very much for your attention.
Okay, thank you for Mr. Pratama. First speaker from opening opposition, it takes 5 minutes and 52 seconds. So let's move to the second speaker from opening government, Mrs. Yesti, the time is yours.
Thank you. My name is Yesti. I'm Deputy Minister from Opening Government. First of all, I want to answer the opinion from the first speaker of opening opposition. We do agree with this motion, which is say that the booster of vaccine is not, it's unnecessary. And the Prime Minister has says that people in 65 years old and over have to get a booster shot of vaccine of COVID-19. It is in Indonesia. It is in United States. You can check the Center of Disease Control and Prevention. But the Prime Minister also says this only this opinion is that doesn't have the scientific advance for the prevention of the COVID-19 itself. So we do not agree that the booster vaccine is, we have to do the booster vaccine of COVID-19. And you say that this booster vaccine can help us to increase our immunity. But then do the vaccine booster, it's better to give the 65 years old the vitamin and supplement to increase their immunity. In Indonesia, our mode price of COVID-19 in Kementerian Kesehatan have says that the third doses of vaccine booster is only for tenaga kesehatan or nurse and doctor and any people who works in the health industry. So the booster vaccine is unnecessary because if it's only shoot to healthy workers or tenaga kesehatan in Indonesia, how about people who don't work in hospital? So I think if the doses of booster vaccine is only for nakes, it's unnecessary. Even if like Indonesia do it for everyone, like in United States or any country like Israel and United Kingdom, it still doesn't make the booster vaccine is necessary. Like if we want to low the sebaran or apa ya? This the spread of the virus of COVID-19. So we have to do our prokes. Okay, so the booster vaccine is not necessary or unnecessary to, if you say it's the purpose of that booster vaccine is to increase the immunity and to low the COVID-19 effect. That's it. And like the Prime Minister said. Yeah?
BOI?
Yeah.
Okay, you accept my BOI?
Yes.
Okay. First, why, if you say that the vaccine booster is unnecessary, why the vaccine booster is created and then the Indonesia want to spread the vaccine booster to that people? Thank you.
But sorry, in Indonesia, Dr. Siti Nadia Tarmizi, or the Speaker of the Kementerian Kesehatan, our Kementerian Kesehatan in Indonesia, has says that the third dose of vaccine is only for the health workers. So if it's true that the health workers, the only people in Indonesia who has the third shot of COVID-19 vaccine booster, so I think it's unnecessary because the second dose is enough. That's it. If we want to everyone to still safe from COVID-19, so we have to increase their immunity. So yeah, that's it. Like given everyone the vitamin supplement, that's it. I said the third dose of vaccine COVID-19 or vaccine booster is still unnecessary, even if it for health workers or for everyone. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you untuk Mrs. Yesti. Your speech, it takes 7 minutes and 40 seconds. So let's move to the second speaker from opening government, Mr. Rizky. The time is yours.
Okay, well, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Ananda Putra from opening offsite. as a second speaker. Well, the provision of booster vaccine is need for the Indonesian people, especially health workers, because this booster vaccine function to strengthen the immune system after the effectiveness of the previous dose has decreased, which is this is Sinovac vaccine. In addition, this booster vaccine can be very helpful for elderly parents, which is your grandma, your grandpa, or my grandma or my grandpa, whose immune system are already vulnerable. In Indonesia, only 30% of the 30% of elderly people are classified as healthy people, and this booster vaccine also function to ward off new variants of COVID, where our previous vaccine no longer effective. This is very important considering that we are fighting a rapidly growing virus. And according to Dr. Fahim, vitamins and supplement to help to increase body's resistance. Yes, increase body's resistance, but not to ward off or cure the coronavirus. Yeah, because we talk about vaccine, booster vaccine, to fight coronavirus, which is coronavirus is an infectious disease. So vitamin and supplement are important to fight coronavirus. You can search Dr. Fahim Yunus on Google or whatever you search it. Dr. Fahim Yunus is an American specialist in internal medicine and infectious disease. Dr. Fahim is work in World Health Organization. You can search it. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Mr. Rizky. Your speech, it takes 2 minutes and 46 seconds. And let's move to the closing government, who will be the first speaker.
Me.
Okay, Mr. Dito, the time is yours.
Excuse me, everybody can hear my voice.
Yes.
Okay. I'm Dito Ardi from Closing Government. The pandemic has now been issued to make the business fail, which was originally for humanity. If the vaccine entrepreneur is indeed with a humanity goal, not a business goal, then the vaccine was made at the beginning of the pandemic. Now it's too late because many people have died because pandemic and vaccine are not longer useful because the body has adapted to the pandemic. Vaccine or booster is not originally real medicine, but vaccine is business. That's it. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for Mr. Dito. Your speech takes 1 minute and 6 seconds. So let's move to the closing opposition. Who will be the first speaker?
I.
Okay, Mrs. Meita, the time is yours.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Meita, and I first speaker of closing episode. The reason for giving a third dose is the vaccine performance is lacking or inadequate against
some of a variant of concern that arise. The FDI has authorized 3 vaccine booster, PFS, BioNTech, Moderna, and Johnson or Johnson, and determined that is safe for individuals to receive is COVID-19 vaccine booster or additional clause that is a different brand and the essential clause or dose. And again, the vaccine we have right now against the variant and where we watching is very careful difference very well against a spectrum of several diseases. In general, the vaccine is performing very well. Who is also a vaccine expert who specializes in pneumococcal epidemiology, said the currently here party has some evidence that there are small number of people, namely those with serious immunopathic conditional who do not properly receive 2 doses of COVID-19. That because they will have not received enough of the first 2 doses, but apart from the protection provided by a booster dose, there are other considerations we need to be aware of. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Mrs. Mehta. Your speech it takes 1 minute and 55 seconds. So let's move to the second speaker from closing government, Mrs. Indah. The time is yours. Okay, I'm sorry. I mean, Mrs. Adelia, the time is yours.
I'm Adelia. Studies began to reveal that the COVID-19 vaccine may not provide very effective protection to specific group of people. Study found that people with immune toxins or immune system problems tend to develop less immunity to the coronavirus after obtaining a COVID-19 vaccination. Even before the launch of the vaccine began late last year, experts have suggested that people with a weak immune system would be less protected by vaccination. Meanwhile, the U.S. Assistant Professor for Global Health, John Andrews, said that effective vaccine development was not necessarily successful. Various preventive measures such as extensive testing, case identification, and tracking mass staying clean and social distance must continue. Currently, over 2 doses experimental vaccination are being tested on humans. According to them, the COVID-19 can be overcome with natural immunity and proper vaccination will function properly. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Mrs. Adelia. Your speech it takes 1 minute and 30 seconds. And for the last, from closing opposition, Mrs. Indah, the time is yours.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurinda Febriati. So here's my speech. The mRNA vaccine works in 2 ways. The university, this college professor of pharmaceutical science and chemical engineering in Northeastern. First, it teaches the body to produce antibodies to block the virus from attacking to infecting a cell. But the second part is what called a cellular response, which makes our immune cells almost soldier-like. If they see the virus infect cell in our body, they go after that cells and kill that cell, so the virus from that infect cell cannot infect the other cell. But over time, the concentration of those antibodies goes down, and this is typical in biology. Amit says, at the same time, variant and imagine it might be look different than the original virus of that vaccine, taught the body to attack. So those antibodies might not be as good blocking from the variants from infecting to the cell. Booster shot of the same vaccine still can help. That's because if you produce more antibody, even if aren't as good as acting the same to the virus, a bunch of antibody goes together can still cool viral it from attacking to the cell. Antibodies circulating in the body aren't the only way that a vaccine antibody generates immunity. However, Vice Chair of the Department of Pharmacy and Health System at Northeastern, they are immune cells that can remember and receive to generate antibody if the person infect to the virus, and those memory cells recognize it from when the vaccine trained them, then the immune system will still making antibodies. So the CDC and the FDA recommend additional dose at least 28 days after the second dose Pfizer or Moderna, or 2 months after the first dose of Johnson or Johnson & Johnson individual who give qualifying medical condition a sign of immunosuppression. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Mrs. Indah. Your speech it takes 2 minutes and 44 seconds. For the participant, please wait until we will make announcement who is the winner. Okay, thank you.
Sorry, can I turn off my camera?
I'm sorry. I mean, let's please wait for verbal.
Okay.
Ada lagi nggak yang dikeluhin kayak mungkin boros di kuota atau gimana gitu?
Sinyal sih.
Sinyal.
Nanti bonusnya ada kuotanya nggak, Mbak? Bonus winnernya.
Coba bilang ke Pak Andes ya kalian ya.
Inspirasi Mbak, aku baru pertama kali ikut debat Inggris, dimarahin Putra terus dari tadi.
Dimarahin gimana coba? Dimarahin sama teman setim. Gimana
Dimarahin terus sama Putra.
Ini roasting anaknya, ayo roasting aja anaknya. Dimarahin gimana? Nonton doang. Pengen lebih.
Bagus Mas Tan. Nanti dikirim linknya Mas Tan di grup kelas.
Tapi emang jelas Tan ya.
Ya, di sini di kelas manggilnya Mas Tan. Kalau Mas Putra dipanggilnya Mas Pam. Dia nyanyi soalnya.
Mas Pam. Pres. Pam air ya ceritanya. So ini menurut kalian susahnya di mana nih? Kayak misalnya mosinya gimana gitu, kalian mikir kayak aku harusnya tim kontra nih bukan tim pro gitu, misal atau ada kasa gitu atau gimana? Bisa cerita?
Mungkin kalau kesannya backgroundku itu aneh banget ya, Mbak. Setan aja.
Mempermasalahin background ya. Backgroundnya
Parah sih ya kayaknya.
ya sabar ya, biasanya backgroundnya Mas Juan lebih parah kok. Tenang aja. So mungkin tahun depan misal ada debat lagi, ada yang mau join kayak volunteer gitu, join asik loh.
Stanley, hai.
Oke.
Stanley, kamu bisa.
Ini yang off cam mau cerita nggak keluh kesahnya atau gimana gitu? Atau mungkin ada saran?
Putra.
Kalau meringis langsung hilang backgroundnya.
Sama sih sama. Ini kalau kemunduran juga mukanya kuning semua nih lama-lama aku.
Enggak.
Kameranya bagus. Alhamdulillah.
Mas coba yang pakai green screen itu jangan dicentang Mas. Itu kayaknya berpengaruh Mas.
Oh ya, coba-coba.
Oh gitu Mas. Oh iya.
Soalnya waktu itu aku begitu juga, yang green screen-nya nggak usah dicentang.
Atau enggak karena backgroundmu nggak solid kali.
Ini backgroundku juga nggak solid Mbak. Belakangnya ini struktur desa, kepala desa.
Oke. Ini ada yang nggak stay di rumah kok. Ini Stanley di mana nih? Vivitel kemana nih?
Ya udah Mas Pam, emang begitu nasibnya Mas, mesti dipaksain dah.
Emang sedih aja.
Michaelson.
Michael. Michaelston. Ada T-nya.
Son.
Michaelston.
Di sini ada yang pakai wifi nggak atau kuota sendiri?
Pakai wifi kak, wifi tetangga.
Oh nyolong ya, wah.
Hehehe.
Pakai kuota sendiri, Kak.
Ini yang kuota sendiri udah habis berapa nih?
Um, 300 MB Mbak.
Wah dikit ya, nyampe jam 6 boleh nih Mbak ini.
Ya kalau diganti tapi nggak apa-apa sih.
Aduh, seru banget aku. Perhitungan ya Mas ya.
Mbak jangan sampai jam 6 Mbak, ntar aku dimarahin kepala desa Mbak.
Oh,
Aku numpang Mbak soalnya.
Oh gitu ya. Izinnya gimana tuh kepala desanya?
Lagi ada kegiatan Mbak di sini, jadi ya udah.
Siapa di Ciruyung?
Di Ciruyung.
Enggak, aku nggak ke Ciruyung hari ini. Jadi cuman Mas Gibran doang yang ke Ciruyung. Aku sekarang ada kegiatan di Adipala.
Oh. Itu di tempat kepala desa cuma numpang tempat atau yang lain-lain juga? Mandi, makan, minum, lain-lain. Numpang semua. Oh,
Ya,
ekspresinya
numpang semua.
Udah gede masih bisa nyusahin orang lain ya.
Maklum Mbak, anak rantau Mbak.
Ya, nggak apa-apa. Ini ikut debat karena apa? Karena dipaksa teman kelas atau gimana? Atau volunteer?
Iya, marahin aspam.
Oh, dimarahin lagi. Galak ya mas Pamnya ya.
Lan lebih ini tak ajak join Epic.
Tarik langsung, udah.
Mbak izin off cam mau angkat galon.
Oke, boleh kali ditunjukin gayanya kayak mana gitu.
Ya susah.
Oke, hati-hati.
Marida Cruise 中
Kameranya pemetaan. Untuk teman-temannya yang belum pada hadir, tolong dipanggilkan ya. Setelah ini kita akan mengumumkan verbal dulu, baru nanti kita umumkan. Mohon open cam yang sudah hadir. Where is Dito and Restia?
Me Tito.
Ini polosan loh, atas logo merah-merah ya.
Iya, kita minyak ya.
Oke, makasih buat yang udah on cam. Untuk verbal, sekarang bakal judul selanjutnya yaitu verbal. Habis itu nanti announce winner dari best speaker, kemudian third winner, lalu second winner, kemudian baru first winner. Untuk verbal dan announce winner, yang ngumumin Mas Juan dan Mbak Jarana. Silakan untuk waktunya.
Okay, thank you for the time. And now I would like to
giving some education for OG. Tadi OG udah bagus ya, udah provide definition and example, terus udah nyebutin juga tidak pentingnya kenapa. Cuman yang untuk yang first speaker tadi masih kurang spesifik, itu limitnya itu mau global atau Indonesia. Terus yang untuk pembicara kedua tadi ada campuran bahasa ya. Terus belum menyebutkan alasan mengapa tidak dibutuhkan. Terus untuk OO, tadi udah bagus. For OO, tadi udah bagus. Udah rebuttal for the first speaker and the second speaker. And then sudah menjelaskan vaksin buat imun juga. Terus untuk yang pembicara kedua juga udah menambahkan contoh lain. Terus untuk yang CG, untuk CG udah bagus ya tadi ya, udah nambahin contoh hal lain juga, yaitu yang bisnis COVID. Namun masih kurang strong. Alasannya kenapa? Untuk kedepannya mohon bisa dikuatkan lagi opininya. Lalu untuk yang CO, tadi udah bagus. Sudah menambahkan data-data yang menambah nilai ya, tapi ini masih kurang untuk menyimpulkan yang kuat kenapa diperlukannya booster. Jadi tadi kurang lebih itu hanya opini saja, tapi masih kurang nyimpulin yang kuat kenapa perlu booster. Untuk Mas Sakla atau Mas Juan ada tambahan atau tidak?
Ada. Ini untuk semuanya ya. Jadi ini kan kalian udah lolos dari tahap selanjutnya gitu loh. Jadi kalian juga udah menerapkan apa yang verbal adjudicator saat ronde tadi itu udah diterapkan kayak gitu loh ke ronde final ini. Dan mau nambahin aja ini sih tadi ada yang kurang juga bagian ketika mau ngasih opini itu dilihat dari berbagai aspek gitu loh untuk nambahinnya. Jadi ekonomi, terus sosial, budaya, mungkin politik kayak gitu. Jadi itu bisa untuk kita nambahin argumen. Jadi mungkin nih dari first speaker dia nyampein sosial dan ekonomi. Kemudian speaker selanjutnya dia bisa nambahin kayak politiknya atau budayanya atau kulturalnya kayak gitu. Jadi itu bisa buat ditambahin, bisa buat bahan kita untuk nambahin opini baru kayak gitu. Mungkin itu sih tambahan dari aku.
Sama kalau perlu belajar untuk ngeribat ya, soalnya nilai ngeribat itu kan ada dua pihak ya, baik government atau opposition. Nah itu kan bisa dilibat lawan debatnya. Ya gitu aja. Selanjutnya Mbak Opa gimana?
Ada lagi dari aku. Untuk yang WIP ya, untuk yang closing dan dia second speaker dari yang closing itu, jadi intinya itu harusnya dia itu mengkonklusi. Jadi dari pendapat dari tim dari teman-temannya yang di atas tadi itu dikonklude. Jadi kayak misal unnecessary karena disebutin lagi nggak apa-apa karena dia WIP, dia itu mengkonklude yang tadi teman-temannya disebutin itu nggak masalah. Dan itu sebagai penegas gitu loh, bahwa dari tim kita itu memang benar, misal tidak dibutuhkan, ya kita kasih konklusi atau kesimpulan bahwa benar-benar nggak dibutuhin kayak gitu loh. Jadi argumen yang di atasnya itu diambil lagi, dibuat kalimat baru yang intinya itu konklusi kayak gitu. Itu poinnya tinggi banget untuk WIP-nya. Jadi kalau si openingnya itu bikin base, bikin landasan, WIP-nya itu yang bikin atapnya kayak gitu ibaratnya. Kayak gitu sih. Udah cukup dari aku, terima kasih.
Untuk PhD debat gimana? Nah, ini mau langsung diumumkan atau gimana?
Untuk winner langsung diumumin aja nggak apa. Dari best speaker dulu, terus kemudian third winner, second baru first.
Oke, menurut adjudicators tadi ya, udah kita rundingkan untuk best speaker. Selamat kepada Mas Pratama Putra dari TI 2A SOO. And then third winner from closing opposition TPPL 2A. And then for the second winner is from OG TE 2C. Congratulations. And the first winner is TI 2A is opening opposition. Congratulations for all. And for the others, always study hard and keep healthy. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations.
TIA bro, juara 1, respect.
Nggak sia-sia dimarahin Mas Pam.
Jangan senang dulu ya, masih banyak kekurangan loh. Ditingkatin lagi.
Oke.
Iya, Mas.
Maaf Mas, teman saya emang begitu.
Oke.
Mas.
Selamat.
Bentar. Buat kalian yang baik yang menang maupun belum menang, terus belajar, terus latihan. Ada PR buat kalian tahun ini itu udah sampai berapa? Juara berapa, Mas? Juara berapa ya?
Juara 2 atau 3, maksudnya second runner up berarti itu juara 3. Juara 3.
Juara 3 tingkat nasional, berarti tahun depan harus lebih baik, mudah-mudahan.
Ya.
Amin. Bismillah.
Congrats buat yang udah menang, buat yang belum menang nggak apa-apa, belajar lagi. Mungkin tahun depan bisa ikut lagi. Jadi sekarang udah tahu ya rules-nya kayak mana. Kemudian untuk pemenang dari best speaker, third winner, second winner, sama first winner besok tanggal 6 November hari Sabtu ke GKB pukul untuk waktu diumumin nyusul lewat grup debate, oke? Ada pertanyaan?
Sejauh ini belum sih, Mbak.
Besok buat penyerahan trofinya ya. Jadi usahain datang, jangan diwakilin karena mampang muka kalian nanti.
Siap, Mbak.
Okay, thank you so much for the participant who attend this debate competition. So from now, debate competition from Polytechnic Negeri Cilacap 2021 are closed. And thank you for your time. So see you next time. Bye.
See you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mbak.
Thank you.